Alright guys, today we're working on the green rodeo. This is my rodeo. Had it since college, and we've tinted the windows way back in the day, had them tinted, correction. And I got the cheapest tint we could get, and this is what happens when you cheap on tint. It delaminated, and it's got a gouge over here. So I'm going to show you how I remove tint with a steamer. So I'll be back when the steamer's ready to go and we can start peeling some tint. God, I hate that. Got the steam coming out. Yes, this is a closed steamer, but it works just fine. And you're going to use this to heat up the tint so the glue starts to loosen up. You can hear it crackling. You can start it with the knife. And then you just keep pulling slowly. You don't want to go too fast because the whole point of the steam is to have the glue come off with it instead of just ripping the film off and then having to scrape all this glue off. And then you're just going to go back and forth. Sometimes you can leave it down here and heat rises and it'll do the work for you. But you can see how it delaminated where it's got that clear and half the color. Alright, now we're getting to the end of the window. You notice that I switched to the glue side of what I'm holding now to get the steam at the edge. And then we just work our way down to the bottom corner. And bam! That is that window, and this probably got started while I was heating the other piece. We got it off, and there is very, very minimal glue, if there is any. And as you've seen, as I was pulling it, I was only applying pressure to it. I wasn't pulling hard, just enough for it to work itself off the window and have the glue come with it. Because if you pull too hard, it's like you might as well have just ripped the tint off without the steamer. So this is that side without tint now. And now we'll be doing the other side. Alright guys, so fast forward, this door's done. In another later date we're gonna put the tint back on, but this is how it should look. Clear as can be, no glue. You'll literally just have to clean this down with ammonia free glass cleaner before you reapply your new tint. And this is basically how it should look. Like, share, subscribe. There's more to come, and we'll see you next time.